Good morning, everyone. My name is Roy Stroud. I'm the Deputy Coordinator with the Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management. We're standing here outside the Meccano Public Safety Transportation Facility, which is the location for the county's Emergency Operations Center. We appreciate everybody's patience during this storm. We really wanted to kind of reach out to everybody and kind of give everybody some additional guidance as we continue to weather this storm. Although the snow has stopped, we are still in for a long haul for the next several days. Right now we're looking at temperatures today. Right now it's 21 degrees outside. We're going up to about 31. The sun is out, and we do expect a lot of people to want to hit the roads. But the big message we will continue to push out there is we don't want people to hit the roads. Get your car dug out, get the extra snow off your deck, that type of thing, but we want you to stay at home so the transportation folks can get out there and take care of it. The big concern overnight tonight and Monday night is it's going to be back down into the teens. So we're going to start to see
VDOT crews again are working very hard. It's going to take a long time though to get to all the streets to make them passable. So please be patient and stay safe. A huge thank you again to the VDOT crews, police officers, fire and rescue, public works, our call takers and our dispatchers here, and so many others across the region are working very hard. We ask you to help us again stay off the road so they can work. We don't have to put them out in harm's way more than we have to. Again, help us clear your sidewalks. Again, just like yesterday, if you know where a fire hydrant is around your neighborhood, please help us clear a 6-foot diameter around any fire hydrant so the fire and rescue department can help you keep you safe. If you have a neighbor, particularly one that's elderly or disabled, if you have a chance, please check on your neighbors. And again, we just want to say thank you for all you do, and be safe, be patient.
Thanks. And again, as Dave has echoed, the patience is the big thing now, and again, staying off the street. One of the other big factors the county has is we do offer a lot of information available to the public. We want to emphasize the fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency/blog website, where we constantly update down throughout this event. In addition to that, we also have Fairfax alerts. So again, on the website, go there, sign up for emergency alerts. We're going to give you updates on what county statuses are, and obviously we have questions as to what we're going to be doing for the rest of this week. The Emergency Operations Center is going to remain staffed up overnight. We're going to have staff in here at least through Wednesday. So we're really looking at what's going on the roads and what's going on for the county. Everybody be safe. Thanks.